Hello guys, I'm back again with the 8th question from the Cameroon GCE Board 2021, Paper 2, Section 1. Today's question, we are going to be talking about direct proportionality and indirect proportionality. So today's question says that given that y is directly proportional to x and that y is equals to 24 when x is equals to 3, find an equation in terms of x and y. B. The value of y when x is equals to 7. Okay guys, there are two types of proportionality. There can be direct proportionality or indirect proportionality. For direct proportionality, a quantity y changes in the same direction as the quantity x. What do I mean? If the quantity y increases, the quantity x will also increase, or if the quantity y decreases, the quantity x must also decrease. In this case, we say quantity y and quantity x are in direct proportionality. But if quantity y increases and quantity x decreases, or quantity y decreases while quantity x increases, we say these two quantities are indirectly proportional. So in this case today, they are telling us that quantity y and quantity x are directly proportional. How do we denote direct proportionality? We simply denote it by y is directly proportional to quantity x. This alpha sign here stands for proportionality. So if y is directly proportional to x, we denote it like this. But if y is inversely proportional to x, then we'll have that quantity to be y, this alpha 1 over x in this case. That is for indirect proportionality. But we are not in concern with indirect proportionality. So we'll just concentrate on y is directly proportional to x. So in this case, how then can we solve this equation? It's not an equation, so we need to change this statement into an equation. So we need to remove this proportionality sign to change it into an equation. So to do this, we simply remove this proportionality sign, we affix an equal sign, and then we add a constant to the right hand side of that equal sign. So we are going to have y equals to kx. So y equals to, we affix a constant to the right hand side of that equals to, let's call that constant k, and then our x is still there. So we have y equals to kx. Now that we have y equals to kx, but we know that y is equals to 24 when x is equals to 3 from the equation here. So we are simply going to change y equals to kx to 24 equals to k, x is 3. So we are going to have 24 equals to 3k. So we need to solve for the value of k, the constant of proportionality. So we divide both sides by 3, we divide the left hand side by 3, and we divide the right hand side by 3. So for the left hand side, 3 will go into itself 1 time, and for the right hand side, 3 will go into 24 8 times. For the right hand side, 3 will go into itself 1, and 3 will go into itself 1 time. So we are going to have k equals to 8. Therefore, A says an equation in terms of x and y. So, but we know that our general equation for this case is y equals to kx. So we are simply going to substitute the value of k equals to 8 into y equals to kx. So therefore, we are going to have y equals to 8x for question A. Y equals to 8x. So that's an equation in terms of x and y for direct proportionality when y equals to 24 and x equals to 3. Now that we have this equation, we are going to look for the value of y when x is equals to 7. Y when x is equals to 7, we are simply going to substitute our value for x equals to 7 in this equation, and we get the value of y. So we are going to have y equals to 8 times 7. This gives us y equals to 8 times 7 is 56. So the value of y when x is equals to 7 is 56. So guys, that's how we handle direct proportionalities for mathematical simple questions like this. So stay with me for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. Also hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos, and if you have a question, please post it on the comment section, and before you know it, I will come up with a video to help you. Okay, bye bye guys, see you next time.